Hello, my name is Phil Smith. I'm the Group Chief Executive here at Embark. Today you will be hearing in the media about the most recent set of acquisitions that the group have entertained. We are bringing on board, subject to completion conditions, the intermediary retail platform of the Zurich Group and the Zurich Horizon Fund management organisation. These will form two new subsidiaries inside of the Embark portfolio, and with them they will bring circa 135,000 clients and 12 billion of assets to our umbrella. Post-completion, the Embark Group will be an enterprise which is very multi-channel, has a range of products from the most bespoke SaaS pension schemes right the way through to plain vanilla general investment accounts and brokerage capabilities, and covering everything in between, such as investments, investment research, actuarial consulting, SIPs, ISAs, and all form of retail savings products. As an enterprise, on a pro forma basis, we will reach 35 billion of AUA on completion, and our reach will extend into 320,000 consumer clients and through over 30 major white label partnerships. We're now a business of scale, and we've been growing our balance sheet, our shareholder register, and our capabilities from a risk, infrastructure and scalability perspective to enable us to take on these kinds of transactions. We will, as a part of the deal with Zurich, also be entering into a partnership where we will explore the opportunities for digitally based life and protection products, working with them quite closely, and we see great opportunity in partnership with that enterprise. I've got to say, we didn't expect to be doing a transaction of this size following our earlier acquisition of the Alliance Trust Savings intermediated business, but we are in a part of the UK market cycle where optimal transactions are on offer, and our ability to execute and fund such transaction is well proven and well known. We think that this deal is fantastic for all of our stakeholders. Our employees and those of the Zurich enterprises will benefit from this transaction. Our key suppliers of services and capability will have access to more scale and more capability. Our fund management partnerships, where we facilitate access to leading edge product, will again have a larger distribution and access footprint to consumers. And our cost and economies of scale will be enhanced, enabling us to continue to be a disruptive force in the UK retail savings environment, regardless of which channel they come through. We're very, very pleased with the transaction. It's been a long 6 months to get both of these things done, and we're a business transformed from the position we were in at the start of 2019. We've still got a long way to go with the Embark franchise. A 35 billion business is great. It puts us up in the top 10. It puts us against some long established major retail brands. But this is only the start. We're 6.5, 7 years into the story. This is a long-term project designed around building long-term shareholder value and indeed long-term stakeholder value. So watch out for some more news as we kick into 2020. Thank you very much for listening.